Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mahatma, and I will present the result of my research entitled Validation of the Content of Elementary School Teacher Competency Instrument in Developing Student Character using the Icon V method. Character development of students in elementary school is the basis for developing ethical value and fostering positive behavior in students. The characters developed in elementary school include religious, discipline, responsibility, leadership, tolerance, cooperation, love of cleanliness, neatness, politeness, preference, courage, self-confidence, drive, independence, honesty, accepting diversity, nationalism, creativity, and appreciate achievement. To determine the level of competence of elementary school teachers in developing student character and to ensure that teachers have met the established standard, an instrument for assessing the competency of elementary school teacher in developing student character was developed. Researchers and practitioners measure constructs such as the competency of elementary school teacher in developing student character, which are formulated at a high level of abstraction. Therefore, the assessment instrument used to measure the construct must be validated. Validity ensures that the instrument measures what it is intended to measure accurately. Validity ensures that the instrument includes the theoretical concept, logic, meaningfulness, and supporting evidence conclusion. Implementation of character development in elementary school requires the role of teachers who can collaborate with schools, parents, and the community. Elementary school teachers play a very important role in developing student character in elementary schools. Students view teachers as role models, responsible for exemplifying positive attitudes and behavior such as honesty, tolerance, and discipline. However, some teachers express their concern about the adequacy of character development program in school. Teachers believe about character education significantly influence the success of its implementation, emphasizing the need of alignment between curriculum design and the teacher perspective. To determine the level of competency of elementary school teachers in developing student character and to ensure that teachers have met the established standard, an instrument for assessing the competency of elementary school teacher in developing student was developed. Researchers and practitioners measure constructs such as the competency of elementary school teachers in developing student character, which are formulated at high level abstraction. Therefore, the assessment instrument used to measure construct must be validated. It is important to have a valid instrument that is able to measure the competency of elementary school teachers in developing student character. The content validity of resulting item was carried out with cooperation of 20 experts. Quantification of content validity was carried out using Icons V. Icon V is a method for assessing content validity, a type of validity that determines whether a test or instrument accurately reflects the content or domain it is intended to measure. This validity is calculated by assessing expert opinions on the relevance and appropriateness of items or equation to a particular contents area. This study aims to investigate the validity of the instrument using the Icon method. The objective of the study will be achieved by answering the following research question. First, how is the content validity of the instrument for measuring competency of the elementary school teachers in developing student character as analyzed using the icon validity coefficient? Two, how is the content validity of the instrument to measure the competency of the elementary school teacher in developing student character qualitative on the suggestion given by the assessor? Research method. The methodology is in this study is quantitative with a survey method of 20 panelists as experts in assessing the competency assessment instrument of elementary school teachers in developing student character. The sample was selected purposefully by considering that the sample has an area of expertise in education. The competency assessment instrument of elementary school teacher in developing student character was designed in the form of a test in the form of multiple choice and situational judgment tests. The instrument consists of 45 questions, consisting 12 multiple choice test questions and 33 situational judgment test questions. The instrument used to measure the competency of elementary school teacher in developing student character consists of 4 dimensions: learning process, extracurricular, school culture, and community. These 4 dimensions were obtained through a systematic literature review in previous studies. These 4 dimensions are intended to include information on the competency of elementary school teachers in developing student character. 20 panelists test the elementary school teacher competency instrument in developing student character. The 20 panelists were selected based on their educational background and experience in the learning environment. Their educational background and experience in the learning environment were taken into consideration in selecting panelists with the aim of finding out whether the question item in the instrument could be understood well. So the design construct was declared valid as a measuring instrument. After obtaining data from the panelists, analysis was carried out by icon v validity. Result and discussion, and this is the result of calculation of instrument panel validity with icon v. Okay. Based on the table 2, it shows that the 12 items in the multiple choice instrument were proven valid. The lowest icon coefficient value is in items number B29 and B30 of 0.8375, and the highest coefficient is in item number P2 of 0.9875. Table 2 also shows that the 33 items in the situational judgment test instrument are proven valid. The lowest icon's V coefficient value is in item number P5 and B25 of 0.7625, and the highest coefficient is in item number B32 of 0.95. The V value is compared with the standard table value compiled by icon by using 20 raters. The minimum standard V icon for this study is 0.76. So it can be said that this instrument is high content validity because it has value above 0.76. Based on the result of the quantitative approach, it can be said that the elementary school teacher competency instrument is developing student character has high content validity. Content validity in this study is not only limited to the value of the icon V coefficient. Instrument evaluation is also carried out by qualitative expert assessment. After a qualitative assessment, the expert provides several recommendations of the instrument item that needs to be revised. This qualitative Expert assessment is an important evaluation of the content validity of the instrument. This can reduce the limitation of quantitative analysis, which only focus on existing items. Furthermore, the active involvement of experts in providing advice both verbally and in writing has a very significant role in increasing the suitability of items in certain indicators and dimensions. Every suggestion given by expert plays a very important role in effort to improve quality of dimension, indicators, and items. Qualitative expert assessment involves 8 experts consisting of 3 elementary school teacher education atau PGSD expert, 2 education research and evaluation expert, 2 Indonesian language expert, and 1 psychology expert, with assessment expert including 1 relevancy of indicator to dimension, 2 relevancy of test item to indicators and dimension, 3 clarity of the main question, and 4 standardization of language use. The recommendation given by PGSD expert are to improve the conceptual definition and operational definition, make improvement by replacing indicator according to the theory that form the dimension, improve the indicator according to the order activities in the learning process. The recommendation given by PAP expert were to revise the indicator to comply with the conceptual and operational definition, revise the instrument to multiple choice test and situational judgment test, and the recommendation given by psychology expert are to reduce the number of questions from 90 to 45, improve the answer choice for multiple choice question, improve the form of situational judgment test question into 3 parts, namely situation and dilemmas and question, improve the answer to situational judgment test question according to their ranking. The recommendation given by Indonesian language expert are to suggest several minor adjustments, which include adjusting word to suit needs and situation, improving sentence clarity and communicativeness, and correcting the typographical errors. The result of the instrument development after going through a qualitative assessment by expert become 2 instruments consisting of a multiple choice test instrument and a situational judgment test instrument. The instrument consists of 45 questions consisting of 12 multiple choice test questions and 33 situational judgment test questions. The result of the instrument development after going through a qualitative assessment by expert were valid, and it can continue to the next development stage. Conclusion: the content validity of the elementary school teacher competency instrument in developing the student character is valid as indicated by the Aiken validity coefficient. Based on a qualitative review using a feedback provided by expert, there are a number of recommendations regarding dimension, indicator, and items. Overall, the instrument designed to measure elementary school teacher competency in developing student character is valid through content validity analysis using the Aiken method. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.